I barely got my car, guys. My door was frozen. Ah, yeah. Ooh, it's cold as a mother hubba out there. I'm gonna show y'all some of this shit. It's just open. It's cold as hell down here. Ooh. Gotta get some heat on. Hey, mother sucker. Even my car almost didn't start. Look at all the snow blew in. Ooh, wee! It is one cold baby out there. Holla, holla, holla. We ain't got that much snow, really. It's just blowing and drifting, but we're gonna get some. It's supposed to go on till tomorrow, late tomorrow night. Sorry, I'm kind of frostbitten here, man. All the snow up there. I had my car door open while I was videoing this crazy crap. Yeah, my car kind of hesitated for a minute. It runs good. Don't need a tune-up. It's just sitting overnight below 0 temperatures. Oh well, ain't nothing new. We knew we was gonna get it eventually. Eventually, I gotta go to work. Once my daughter called me before 1:45 or 12:30ish. Alright guys, y'all be safe out there if you're driving. I know I'm taking my time. I ain't rushing for nobody. Some of these people out there, man, they be flying this crap. Not me. Alright guys, I'll be hollering at you. Cool.